Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be trying out some new beer that I got from Goodies. This is a new Belgium Voodoo Ranger Imperial IPA. It's so-called supposed to be hard or whatever. I see that it's 9%. Usually the beer that I do drink is like 7%. So I'm about to try it out now. It's not a twist off, so I'm thinking this is gonna be pretty hard. Yeah, it tastes, well, it don't taste, it smells pretty strong. That's all I gotta say. I put this in the refrigerator and it's kind of cold right now. Interesting. This is some hardcore beer. Tastes like I don't know what he tastes like, but I can only imagine this is how pee is supposed to taste like. I really wasn't a fan of beers when I first started drinking, but I kind of got hooked on Bud Light Platinum, and it doesn't really taste like anything, but this is really interesting. I was thinking that it was going to be somewhat nasty because it's like 9%, but yeah. Yeah, my breath smelling like sunflower seeds. This is the type of beer that you actually go to, I guess, when you go into one of those beer pubs or whatever. I haven't been to one of those in a while, but they always have some pretty good beer that gets you drunk. Yeah. Let me see. What's all in this? Well, of course they don't have the ingredients. Okay, it says a rare blend of choice hops, crates, and explosion of fresh cut pine and citrus flavors for a complex, rich, and delicious finish. It's not. Dang, this even have an expiration date. I didn't really know beers expired. Brewed and bottled by New Belgium Brewing, Fort Collins, Colorado. Interesting. Crazy. When I'm just randomly thinking, I always have these actually moments where I used to do fun things with my friends or whatever. I remember going to this actually pub before when I used to work at a truck place or whatever, and we went to this place downtown and had some beer that reminds me slightly of this, but it was like red velvet and it had a lot of foam on it. I think I remember that place that I went to the pub again, like later on in my life, but it was really good. But it doesn't taste like this. Well, it slightly tastes like this, but yeah. Yeah, I'm assuming this man is dead. You drinking this or something? He have the nerve to have a gold tooth. That's weird. I don't know if you guys can see it for the lighting, but he really have a gold tooth. I'm dead. That was funny. Interesting. You end up killing yourself messing with this kind of beer, I guess. Yeah, I think I'm giving these beers, rest of the beers I have left, to my mom and probably my brothers if they gonna drink it. I know one of my brothers will, but this is kind of too hardcore for me. I'm just gonna stick to my Pansy Bud Light Platinum. Cause yeah, I guess it's something I can drink on a day that I just wanna get knocked the heck out or something or whatever. But as far as drinking it every day with some raw, God, that was nasty. That was a nasty taste. I wouldn't drink it every day. As far as eating with pizza, wings, and all that stuff, I wouldn't drink it. I couldn't imagine. What could I eat it with? I couldn't imagine drinking it with the average things that I eat. The aftertaste is almost reminding me of sunflower seeds, which is weird. What was the last thing that I ate? Maybe the last thing I ate was some celery. So I don't know if it's like the mixture of that and the beer is colliding or what, but it reminds me of sunflower seeds. I'm dead. Yeah, I have like 5 more of these in my refrigerator now and in my cabinet. So yeah, these will be going to my mom's house. I won't be keeping this. I always try different things or whatever, but I should have just got another pack of Bud Light Platinum or something that I know that I can actually enjoy. The more I smell it, the more it's just like different kind of fragrances. Now it's reminding me of a time when I used to work at Amazon or whatever. My brother, he left a Starbucks bottle under the car or under my car seat or whatever, and I was wondering why the car seat wasn't moving, and I guess the power seats was making it move too fast, and the Starbucks bottle exploded, and it was like basically spoiled milk by the time I actually got it up. And by the time I don't even know how the cake it got in there. I guess I don't know, but yeah, it exploded in it, and the smell in the carpet was starting to smell like this, like spoiled. And it took a while for me to actually get that funk out of there. Whoever had the car now probably still have that funky smell in it. But yeah. I don't feel tipsy right now, but I feel sleepy though. I don't feel like necessarily tired. I just feel sleepy. I guess I've been up all day. I don't know if it's a beer or what. Intriguing. Very. Yeah. I don't think I'll buy this again, but it's an interesting taste, and I can't really tell if I'm like tipsy or anything. Maybe when I get up I can tell. You see, I'll down the rest and see. Dang. I can't really burp on this. But it's a good, I guess it'll give you a good buzz for 9%. I don't know how I feel when I get up though. Cool. Yeah. I thought this was gonna be some hardcore stuff because I then lifted up the bottle with a whole bottle opener and stuff. I thought it was gonna be some hardcore stuff. Yeah, that was interesting. I just want to buy it again. Yeah, I might be a little buzz. Knocking this stuff over. And we'll see if I would drink the foam and stuff. Yeah, I might be a little buzz. Just a little bit. Yeah, that foam is nasty. Yeah, I'll probably not try this again or whatever. Wonder if they have different flavors. I might try a different flavor. I guess this is just a regular kind, but I don't know. But yeah, I don't think I'll be interested in trying this again. I'm most definitely giving this away. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for actually watching my videos or whatever. I see that the video that I put up about the burping collage or whatever is pretty good. That's just the part one or whatever. I'll be making some more or whatever. I didn't think it was a big deal or whatever since like one person was requesting it, but I will make some more videos like that and just basically combine all of them up. I know I have some good burping on the older videos that I made as well, so I'm gonna actually most definitely be working on that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm trying to actually upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays moving forward, but we'll see how that goes or whatever. Let me know the actual schedule that I should make or when you guys actually watch it, because it seems like it's best for everyone or whatever, or if you guys just want me to upload randomly or whatever. But I think I said enough. I think this beer is probably getting to me. I don't know how I'm wrecked when I get up. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.